Let's work on today's notes. The first word is level. Level. La, la, vo. Start with an L, end with an L, V in the middle, vo. Level. The level, we need to level the playing field. We need to level the playing field. Next word is consonant cluster, practice. P-R, practice. 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 Push out the R, push out the P sound, Make sure nothing touches the R. Nothing in your mouth touches the R, like as far as anything in your mouth, anything, as long as it doesn't touch, the R doesn't touch anywhere, then the sound will be very clear. Practice. Let's practice your skills. Let's practice these sounds to make it sound better. Practice. The next word, persimmon. Persimmon. This time of year, there are plentiful persimmons. This time of year, there are plentiful persimmons. Persimmon. 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 And we also have pumpkins. Pumpkins. There are a lot of pumpkins this time of year as well. Pumpkins and persimmons are plentiful this time of year. And there are also sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. There are lots of sweet potatoes during the fall season. Sweet potatoes. Culture. Culture. That stop. Culture. Culture. There are a lot of different cultures representing the United States. There are a lot of different cultures representing the United States. Respect. Respect. Rih'SPEK. Rih'SPEK. Respect. We need to respect different cultures. We need to respect different cultures because there's a variety of them in the U.S. Clean. 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 Consonant cluster, clean. Let's try to keep this area clean. Let's try to keep this area clean. This word is the little machine that helps clean your house. The Roomba. 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 Our Roomba constantly gets stuck. Our Roomba constantly gets stuck throughout the house. And the last word is lately. 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 Make sure you start with L, la, late, a, late, lately. Lately, there's been a lot of, lately, the weather is getting darker earlier. Lately, the weather's getting darker earlier. I hope these words help. Just pronunciation, practice, opening your mouth if you can, projecting your voice, getting that air deep from your diaphragm and just projecting that. Ha, E, O, la, E. I hope that helps.